How to invite someone to group in Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about inviting someone to the Roblox group. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go to roblox.com and log into your specific account. After that, from the left-hand side of the screen, click on Communities, which is between the Money and Themes option. Tap on it. Now you will come across the Communities section. Go ahead and tap on any group or community that you'd like to invite your friends on. And once the group page opens, copy the group's link from the address bar in the top. Right click on it and tap on copy, or you can just simply go ahead and press Ctrl+C in your keyboard. After that, open your chat, select the person that you'd like to send this link to, and simply paste it in the chat and hit send. Now the person can use this link to join the group themselves. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.